In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a certificate in the Gas Engineer software app. To start, open the app. Next, click New Record at the top of the main menu. On this screen, you can see all the different records available. You can even star the records you create the most so that they appear at the top under your favorites. Click on the one you would like to create. Next, the software will ask you which job this record is for. If you've already created a job, simply select the right one. If you haven't, you can add a new job directly from this screen. Select the customer and job address and you'll be taken back to the record menu. From here, you can start adding appliances using the plus in the top right corner. Fill out all the necessary fields and click Next. This window is for all the final checks and comments. When it's done, get a name and signature from the customer and click Approve. All that's left to be done is to send it to the customer, but don't worry, you're able to preview it first here. And that's it. The record will be automatically saved and filed away in your system.